Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my factory connection haul thumbnail. No, that won't be my thumbnail. I'm going to pull the drawer out like I usually do to make a little table. Now this one is not that big of a haul. This is just my my regular clothing allowance. Didn't buy anything extra. This is just my regular clothing allowance. And I'm going to start with the little bag that's inside, because I got these earrings, because I saw these earrings when I first undone them and I thought, oh, I love that peachy color. Oh, they're so pretty. And I love how the light hits these the little beads that are up here. Oh, so pretty. Can't wait to wear those. Okay, so I got the earrings, and these are $3.99. Yes, $3.99. And then I got one pair of jeans, and to wear jeans at work, they cannot have holes or be distressed. These are $21.99. They're a size 16. They are the YMI Jeans. Rayon denim, ultra soft, comfort stretch. They stretch. And this is the original Want a Better Butt. I'm not even playing, that's what it says. Want a Better Butt. And it tells you on this tag right here. Want a better butt. Now, I don't know if it makes my butt look any better because I don't have a butt. So it's kind of hard to make that look better. They are a size 16. They do stretch. They're a traditional jean. I'm going to button them up here. Well, I thought I'd button them up. Front pockets, back pockets, just traditional jean. They are slightly faded down the front, and they are skinny leg, and they're a little faded on the bum, as you can see. Like you sit down a lot. So they are kind of faded on the butt cheeks area and down the front legs. So they do have a worn effect, but they're not distressed or ripped, so I can still wear those to work. I can wear them tomorrow, actually. Tomorrow's Friday. So there is my jeans. I got a pair of jeans. I got an animal print shirt. Guys, you know I only have one other animal print shirt. Yes, just one. And animal print is so big, and it is big in our store. We carry a lot of animal print and camo. So if you like animal print or camo, factory connection. This is $19.99. I have another shirt made very similar to this, and I loved it. So that's why I went ahead and got this one. It does have a little bit of a sharp bite down at the bottom. And it is that lace that's being printed, and then there is a inner lining on the inside. So that's gonna be really cute. I might wear that with my jeans tomorrow. Maybe. I don't think my peach earrings go with that though. But so I got that shirt, and then I got this little vest cardigan. You guys know I love these things. $13.99, and it's just a long vest cardigan. Doesn't match what I'm wearing, but I'll show you the length of it. So yeah, there's that. And I'm trying to get my legs back in here. And last thing in the bag. Yeah, this is the last thing in the bag. And it is a dress. Yeah, last thing in the bag. And this dress was $17.99. And it is just a really cute navy blue. But look at these sleeves. Look at the like little crocheted detail on the sleeve. Oh my gosh, how cute. There's a string there I need to cut. There's a tail string. got left on. Okay. Let's make sure it wasn't going to unravel. But, so it's a dress. It's long. It's just a simple, like, little dress, but the sleeves is what got me. And I might can put this pink over top of it. I don't know. We'll have to see. Super cute. And that's everything I got on this month's clothing allowance. So super cute little items. I can't wait to wear. I don't know what I'm going to wear tomorrow now. I know I'm going to wear my jeans. Yeah. I don't know. I like this little jacket too. Decisions. So if you've not checked out a Factory Connection, and if you have one near you, you ought to go check it out, because right now we're having a big end of season clearance sale, and we're getting in all kinds of new spring merchandise, which is this little vest and like that dress, because we're getting in like spring dresses. So be sure you check out your local Factory Connection. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.